A pleasant time to all. We are humbled to share with you the result of our study in the School of Education, Arts and Sciences at Union Christian College, City of San Fernando, La Union, titled Life Adjustment Towards an Optimistic New Normal. The following are the core researchers: Samuel B. Lachica, Rufina M. Dumaoang, Ruel Libatique, while the student research assistants are Daniel Ignacio, Claudine Pripose, Genevieve Lacunsay, and Gail Tricia Corpus. Background: the ability to overcome adversity and transform every problem into an opportunity for personal accomplishment is known as the adversity quotient. AQ has always gotten some academic interest in the field of education. Stoltz has given a three-level model of adversity, which is shaped like a pyramid and starts from societal adversity, workplace adversity, and individual adversity. With the ongoing health crisis that caught every societal off guard of what it enjoys during the usual normal times, one's ability to deal with the situation is what Stoltz had been saying as social intelligence, with which every person needs to develop. With this, the study, along with the related studies in the department, sought to determine ability of the students and teachers in the School of Education, Arts and Sciences of Union Christian College during the new normal times as an input to a revitalized SEAS holistic development program. Theoretical framework: Adversity Quotient Theory by Dr. Paul G. Stoltz. Resilience Theory, a theory with contributions from Norman Garmezi and Maston. Psychoanalytical Theory by Sigmund Freud. Specific problems: what is the level of adjustments of the SEAS faculty and students as measured by the different dimensions of adversity quotient? A. Control. B. Ownership. C. Rich. D. Endurance. And E. General adversity quotient. What is the extent of the effect of the identified factors in the development of the AQ of the two groups of respondents: personal related, family related, and social related? Is there a significant difference between A, the level of development of the AQ of the two groups of respondents, and B, the extent of the effect of the identified factors in the AQ development of the two groups of respondents? Are the identified factors significant predictors to the development of AQ of the two groups of respondents? The method. This study utilized a descriptive developmental research design. The respondents of this study were the students of the School of Education, Arts and Sciences of Union Christian College enrolled in school year 2020-2021. Total enumeration was used. The main data gathering instrument in this study was a questionnaire adapted from a participant material from Paul G. Stoltz's book entitled Adversity Quotient: Turning Obstacles into Opportunities. Descriptive and inferential statistics were used to treat the data gathered.
Presenting to you the results of the study. The level of adversity quotient of the respondents showed that the two groups of respondents registered below average in their general adversity quotient, average in rich, highest, and below average in ownership, control, and endurance, lowest. On the extent of effect of the identified factors to level of AQ, the respondents indicated high effect on their adversity quotients, personal being the highest and family the lowest. Furthermore, the test of difference between the two groups of respondents showed that the students' respondents have better control of adversaries than the faculty respondents, but no significant difference existed between them in the other dimensions and on the general AQ and on the extent of effect of the factors to their AQ. Along the identified factors, significant differences exist, showing that the faculty rated higher effects of the factors to one's AQ. On the predictive effect of the factors to AQ, the different factors did not show significant effect to the AQ development of the respondents as they fail to fit in the regression line. This means that despite the respondents expressing high effect of this to their AQ, the model did not show enough evidence that these factors can explain the increase or decrease neither within the constructs of AQ nor the general AQ. Based on the findings, the researchers concluded that both groups of respondents exhibited poor adjustments towards life adversaries, having older groups as represented by the roles faculty or students, having better control of these occurrences. Hence, the need for SIAs to develop psychosocial programs or strengthen any existing programs to promote better life's adjustment among its students and faculty. Thank you so much. Okay.